Hey there everyone, I hope you are all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to increase FPS in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, go to app info and go to storage. Now just clear the cache. So just click on it and clear it. I have already done it. So clear the cache, or you can also clear the data. And open the game in Game Turbo. So I have already opened it here. Just click on start playing and click on boost. So as you can see, the FPS before was 47, now it's 60. You can also turn on this performance button here, performance mode. So once you clear the cache or your data, you will be able to improve your FPS. So that's how you can improve your FPS, guys. Just clear your cache and data. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.